Today's topic is saving function. Saving is a function of income and propensity to save में first of all average propensity to save and next one is marginal propensity to save. Average propensity to save is the ratio between saving due to income. So let us derive average propensity to save with the help of a schedule 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. In saving average propensity to save, I have taken consumption because saving can't be derived without consumption. Income minus consumption is equal to savings. Minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5 और 10. APS. अब कंजम्पशन का कोई रोल नहीं है. कंजम्पशन हमने कैलकुलेट किया था सेविंग डिराइव करने के लिए. सेविंग फर्स्ट 5/10 0/20 5/30 और 10/40. ये APC की वैल्यूज 0.5 0 0.6 और 0.4 0.6 और 0.4. And now let us, for the calculation of APC, we are taking the help of income and saving curve only. We have to derive saving curve. देखो, for the derivation of APS or for the derivation of MPS, I am deriving just saving curve here and saving curve MPS. Now I am deriving average propensity to save. On this particular point A, APS is equal to, because of APS is equal to S upon Y. Here savings are 5 and income is 30. तो 5/30 is equal to 0.6. तो at point A, APS is equal to S upon Y is equal to 5/30 is equal to 0.6. At point A या on point A, पर्टिकुलर एक ही पॉइंट पे जो कैलकुलेशन है वो APC की आ गई है. 0.6 इसकी वैल्यू है APC की, APS की. Next, for the derivation of MPS. MPS is the ratio of change in saving due to change in income. For the derivation of savings, income minus consumption is equal to savings. So we can derive change in income and change in saving. MPS is equal to S upon Y. We can derive the value of marginal propensity to save. For the derivation of marginal propensity to saving, in this diagram, we are deriving just saving curve. This is combination A and this is combination B. Here we have taken on point A या at point A, but for the calculation of MPS, I am writing from point A to B. The value of MPS is equal to delta S upon delta Y. For the derivation of delta S, so this indicates change in savings 5 और 10, डिफरेंस है 5 का. So delta S की वैल्यू है 5 and here change in income is equal to 10. So this is the area, shaded area, that represents marginal propensity to savings, which is delta S upon delta Y is equal to delta S की वैल्यू चेंज जो है वो 5 का और इनकम में चेंज है 10 का 0.5. So this is the basic difference between APS और MPS.